So apparently Rogan's podcast went down temporarily on Spotify, and a number of other Spotify-owned podcasts also went down, including the Ringer and Parcast. They were suddenly unavailable, and that, of course, caught the attention of Rolling Stone and many others on the internet because everyone wants to, well, this story has been enormous, and everybody wants to be the first to know if any changes take place. Now, question there could be maybe there's some sort of an update. Maybe they were parsing more episodes as they had reviewed more. Maybe they were making some update to their premium products or something like this. It was a brief disappearance from Spotify, and Rogan is back, but apparently at the time of this writing, the Ringer, Gimlet, and Parcast are still missing from the service. Maybe they're maybe for their premium offerings or their owned shows or license deals, maybe they're going to create different pages for them or...
Okay.
Like, I'm just thinking that, like, why you would take it down, unrelated to the other topics that have been in the news. Representatives for Spotify did not immediately return Rolling Stone's request for comment. If the cause for the disappearance was a glitch, it could be largely internal and only impacting shows Spotify is behind. The streamer has exclusive deals with all these groups, Ringer, Gimlet, Parcast. The story is still developing. Rogan's came back. I'm sure if I were to check at some point soon, the other ones are going to come back as well. But people are going to keep a close eye on it because of the deleted episodes. They deleted like 70 of them fairly recently. Somebody's keeping track of that.
Yeah, they're going to do another episode check.
Purge.
Yeah, purge.
Yeah, we're going to lose. There's going to be more episodes thrown in the trash. It's so much content to listen to. You remember we were talking about if you had that job? Listen to all these podcasts and look for this. Like, do they probably have a list of words?
Yeah, they have.
What speed are they listening in?
Oh, you got to be at...
times.
What's the fastest? No, I think you can listen faster than that.
Really?
Or is it algorithmic? They just come up with a piece of software to look for certain words.
Interesting. I don't know.
And then it triggers the human review.
Yes.
Because it's so many hours of content. It always... Man,